Hi everyone. We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes more and then we'll start the class. Okay, so I think we are good to start. So guys, did you try to create an account on your own after yesterday's class? Did anyone give it a try?
Hi.
Yeah, I did and I made also.
Oh, nice. Good. So today again, I will create few more accounts and I'll create contacts as well. And I'll show you how to link contact to a particular account. So today we'll practice these things. And do you have any doubt from the previous class? Like we discussed about the Salesforce releases. We talked about what is going to be your role when you join a company after you get a job after the completion of the course. So what will be your role? Who will be the end user? Who will be what will be the data? Who will be the final customer? Then I think we also talked about the tabs in Salesforce, the tabs which appear in each of the modules of the Salesforce sales, service, marketing modules. We also talked what are objects. Objects are nothing but actual table where we are going to store the customer data. And then we created one account. So let me share my screen. Okay, please confirm if you're able to see my screen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what we discussed in yesterday's class. So if you have any doubts, you can ask, else, I'll continue with creating the account and contacts. Okay, so I'll take that as no questions. So let me log in. Login dot. Okay, I think someone new has joined today. I think it's Sayed, right? Sayed, are you there? Hello? Okay, I don't know if he's there or not. Okay, so now we are in the home page of the Salesforce. So let me go to App Launcher. I'll click on Sales. So yesterday I created one account. Excuse me. So let me go to accounts and the account which I created should be there. Yeah, see, it is there. So today we'll create two more accounts. So see, before I start, you should understand that account, can be an individual as well as it can be an organization. Okay. So this government of India, it's not an individual. It's like an organization I have created. Because when you think from a business perspective, if I am running a company, so my client cannot be it will not be any individual, right? I mean, it can be a big organization. I'm Dell. Suppose to take the example of Dell company. Dell is selling laptops. So it's not selling laptops and desktops only to the individuals. It is selling to the big companies, big service companies. They are having tie-up with Dell, you know, and the employees of TCS or Infosys or IBM, they are using the Dell laptops. So the customer of Dell, it, it cannot be always an individual. Individuals can also buy Dell laptops, but we have to think from uh, you know organization perspective as well. So the client of big companies can be big companies. Okay, so we call it like B2B and B2C, if you would have heard, business to business and business to customer. So that's why here, yesterday I created Government of India as an account, which is not an individual, but you can call it as a group. So many people can again belong to this group. So we'll see all that. Okay, let me create another account today. So I'll click on new account name. I'll give it as some XYZ bank. Okay. Parent account, no, there's nothing. I cannot link it. So see, yesterday I created Government of India. So it is showing as an option that do you want to relate this account to that Government of India? No, I don't want to relate it. Account number, I'll give something 2000 something two. Account site again. I can give as Mumbai. Rating, it's a hot customer. Type, I'll give direct, customer direct. Industry, banking is there. Let me select banking. Annual revenue, I'll give something. SIC code, I'll give something. Employees, I don't know, some 10,000 employees I'll give. Okay, rest of the fields are not required, so I'm not going to give. Your wish, you can give or not, until unless it's mandatory. So as of now, out of the box, it is not mandatory. Only the account name is mandatory. So even if you don't fill these details, just give the account name and click on save. Your account will be created. Okay, billing street and all. I'm not gonna give billing street. I'm not gonna give city. I'll just give as Mumbai. Customer priority, I'll give as medium. I'll give as high only. SLA silver, I'll give description something. I'll give not required. So save. Okay. Now again, either you can click on this refresh button or you can again click on the account. So you see now there are two accounts. Okay. So these accounts, whichever I have created, these are not individuals, but these are organizations. This is the bank. This is like government. So now let me create one more account. Let me create one more account, but that will be an individual. Okay. I will create Narendra Modi. Okay. Now Narendra Modi is an individual, but can I link him to any of these accounts? Can he be linked? Yes, of course he can be linked. He can be linked to this Government of India. So I'm going to link him. Account number, something I'll give. Rest of the details are not required, so I'm not going to give phone number, something I'll give 888888. Save. So you see, you click on account. Okay, first we'll go to Government of India, which we created. Okay, so here you see these three tabs: related, details, and news. Okay, so related will show you if any contact is linked to this particular account, if there are any opportunities linked to this particular account, if there are any cases, has this account ever come up with any issues, notes and attachments, anything like any information related to this account, we can all put it over here. When we go to details, it will show you the details, whichever fields we filled up while creating the account, it will give you all. So you see account name is Government of India. who is the owner. So since I created this account, it is showing owner as training batch. Similarly for you, when you will create, the owner will be your name, your first name and last name. Parent account is blank here because I did not give anything. This account is itself a parent account. There is no other account or child account or parent account linked to it. So this is blank. Rest of the fields are there. See, it will show you everything created by, who created it, when, at what time it was created, last time who modified it. So all the details you can see it here. Okay. So now let me go to the new account which I created just now, Narendra Modi. I'll go to this account. Okay. Again, related, there are no details because we have not linked anything to this. We have just created an account for now. We will go to details. Now see here. You see, account name is there. Parent account is also showing up here because while creating the account, we linked it to a parent account, right? So the parent account is Government of India showing over here. Rest of the details are fine, same. Okay. Now I will show you an individual account. So these are like different types of accounts which I'm showing you. So these two are like Government of India and XYZ Bank are the organization. Narendra Modi is an individual account, but yes, he belongs to this Government of India, which is the parent account. Now I will show you one more example. I'll just create an account which is an individual and he will not be linked to any other account. Okay. So suppose account name give I'll give Tom Cruise. He is an Hollywood actor. Okay. So parent account. Can I link him to this Narendra Modi? No. Can I link him to Government of India? No. Can I link him to this bank? No. So we will leave it blank. Okay. Rating I'll give as gold. Tom Cruise is not at all interested. Okay. Rest of the details I'm not gonna fill, so I'll just save it. So related, obviously, Tom Cruise, there are no related contacts, opportunities, cases, so nothing we can see there. We just created, nothing, you see, nothing is required. Nothing we have filled and still an account is created. So this is not gonna happen in real time project, right? Obviously, you cannot just, with the name, you cannot create anything without any details. So that is the customization which we will do, we'll make the fields required so that whoever like end user is entering the details, he or she is like, forced to enter the details which are like compulsory, which are mandatory, which are required. We will do all that customization. We'll see it later. So for now, I created all this. Now let's move on to contact. So any questions with this account part? This is pretty simple, right? You can create it, you can decide it whether it is going to be an individual account or whether you are going to link it with any account or it is going to be an organization. You can decide it.
I have a
Okay.
question.
Yeah.
When you have linking account from Narendra Modi to Government of India, they can go into each other's account or?
No, see, they cannot go into each. You are the admin, so you can see everyone's like data and record. They cannot see. See, this is your customer. They don't know where you are entering the data or what you are doing with their data, right? Suppose a patient. So see, here I'm just giving this example, but suppose my client, yesterday I explained you, right? My client is Apollo Hospital. Now, Apollo Hospital, there are several patients who are visiting Apollo Hospital daily. So so here the data in real time, this data will not be Tom Cruise or Narendra Modi, okay? The data will be the patient's data. Suppose some XYZ patient came to visit. So we will, the end user will enter his data. The Apollo
No, but when
Hospital.
you put in the, you put a parent account and that account to, can the
No,
parent
that's
account?
what. No, they cannot see each other. Narendra Modi cannot see what is there inside Government of India. Government of India cannot see what is there. This is for your reference. You know that, okay, this guy visited, but he also belongs to this Government of India. This is his parent account, like that. Okay, you can see because you are the admin.
All right, thank you.
Now let's go to contacts. Similarly, we'll create contacts and we will link contacts to accounts. Okay. So let's go to accounts tab, click on new. Okay, same type of page comes up. So guys, all of you have tried to create an account, or if you want to try it now in the class, I'm ready to wait. Or if you want to do it after the class, I mean your wish. So just let me know. Okay.
I created the account already.
Okay. What
I
about
also
others?
created account.
Yeah, I also created the account.
Okay, okay.
Created.
Okay, okay. So since most of you have already created, those who have not done it, I request you, like after today's class, please go ahead and do it on your own. Okay, just try to create it. If you face or run into any issues, just let me know WhatsApp. We'll discuss in next class. Yeah. So now here comes the contact. So contact, let's give salutation. We'll give Mr. Name. I'll give something. I'll give Aman. I'll give Kumar. He's so this is now an individual contact. So does he belong to any of the accounts you created? Does he belong to any of the organizations which you created? Obviously, he cannot belong to Narendra Modi or he cannot belong to Tom Cruise. But yes, he can definitely belong to an organization. So now think from this perspective. Your customer or your client is an organization, but but still, if you want to connect with the organization, whom are you going to contact? Whom will be the point of contact? There should be someone, right, whom we are going to contact or who will contact us. So those can be called as contacts, individuals from that particular organization. Okay, there can be one contact or there can be 10 contacts from that who are actually going to interact with you. Okay, so now in real time scenario, when I explained, so Apollo Hospital is my client. Okay, so now patients are coming to visit Apollo Hospital, but maybe Apollo Hospital has a tie-up. Apollo Hospital has a tie-up with Ministry of India. Okay, so every minister who falls sick, he will come to visit Apollo Hospital. So what will Apollo Hospital do? Apollo Hospital will create an account with Ministry of India, and then it will add contacts, whoever is coming to visit. So he can add the contacts. So similarly, this I created. Can I link him to any? Yeah, I can link him to a bank. He's the bank, employee or customer. Title, I can give. I can just leave it blank. That's fine. Department, I can give finance. Per date, just leave it to reports to. I don't know if he reports to anyone. Okay. So I'm just going to leave the other fields as blank and I'm going to click on save. So you see, now I'll click on contacts. You'll see one contact with the name Aman Kumar has been created and he belongs to which account? XYZ. So now if I go to this XYZ account, will I be able to see Aman Kumar? What do you think? I have linked Aman Kumar as a contact. I have linked him to the account, one of our existing accounts. So whenever I want to interact with XYZ Bank, Aman Kumar is my point of contact. So do you think like we can see this under accounts?
I
Under
think
Yes.
XYZ?
Yes, we can see.
Let's go and check. Okay, I linked him to XYZ Bank. So we'll click on XYZ Bank. Now, correct. See, under related contacts, it was 0, if you remember. I was showing, right? But now you see one contacts is there. Because we linked it to XYZ Bank. We linked Aman Kumar to XYZ Bank. So now Aman Kumar is the point of contact from XYZ Bank. Okay. You see, I clicked on that and you know the detail page of Aman Kumar opened. I mean, sorry, related page of. From here also you can see the details. Similarly, now this account contact I linked, but contacts also can be individual. Okay, so I can create. Just miss. Give Divya some random name. I'm just giving. I don't know if we have a student named Divya in our class. I'm just randomly giving it. Okay. I don't want to link Divya to any of these accounts. Okay. Let her be just individual contact. Just save it. Okay. There are no details. See, none of the fields are mandatory. I just gave her name and I click on save and see I was able to create a contact. Will I be able to see this contact in any of the accounts? I did not link her to anyone. I did not link Divya to any of the accounts. Will I be able to see her in this accounts?
No.
No. So you see, there are different ways. And also you should understand that these accounts and contacts, I mean, these are called like master tables, because the information in these tables will not change very frequently. Do you think a patient who is visiting the hospital like every week, he is going to change his number every week, or he is going to change his address every week? No, right? So once that master detail of him is saved in the hospital, like this software, this CRM software, that is not going to change very frequently. Like rarely the changes are made will be made to his account. So in that case, these are called as like customer master tables. These are like customer master tables. Master tables means these are not going to change, and these will be used as a reference for other tables. Like you are going to create, suppose if you're going to you created a contact, you're going to create a lead or opportunity. So these can be linked, these can be the child, these can be linked to these accounts. And that is why you were seeing in the related tab also, see contact opportunities. So maybe going forward or in the future, you are going to create these opportunities cases. So this account is created, but did he give you any revenue? That will come under the opportunities. Cases, did he log any issue or complaint with your product? He can log a complaint in future, so that will come under cases. Okay, so those details you can link it here, but this will be your master. Like this table or this account or this object is going to be your master table, and the data inside this is not going to change very frequently. Rarely it might, obviously I'm not saying that never it will change, it will change, but very rarely. Okay. Okay, also, since I showed you that the contact can be linked, now let me do one thing. Let me show you one more scenario. I will create one more contact. I will create some mess. I will give my name only. Huh? It will be confusing. I'll give something, Anamika Sharma. Okay, I'm creating this contact, Anamika Sharma, and I am linking it with again XYZ Bank. Okay, I'm linking her with XYZ Bank. So do you think like I can link this account as I linked Aman Kumar with XYZ Bank? Can I link Anamika also with XYZ Bank? What do you think?
Yes, can link.
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Okay, okay, let me see. So she is, suppose she is a manager in that bank. Let's save it. Okay, right, it is created. Let me go to accounts and check. I linked her with XYZ Bank. Let me see. Yes, see. So now you can see there are two contacts. So now you see you can link multiple contacts to a particular account. So this XYZ Bank, the manager can be your point of contact, the senior manager can be your point of contact. So that's where you can link multiple contacts to this particular account. Similarly, the case with other accounts also. Unique Government of India, I can link many contacts. Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Smriti Irani, whoever, ABC XYZ person, I can link to this account.
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
Can you just clarify the difference between accounts and contacts?
Yeah, so I said, right? So accounts and contacts both are your customers, okay? But based on the type of information you have, you can save it. So see, and one more thing, like account will be created only if that, that person or that organization has, accepted to be your customer. Okay. He's going to be your customer. You are certain with that point, then you will go ahead and create the account. But contacts cannot be that case. Okay, it is just like point of contact from that particular organization. So contacts are basically the people from that organization. Suppose XYZ Bank agreed to be your client. Okay, so now you created an account with the name of XYZ Bank, but then who are you going to contact from XYZ Bank? Who are you going to contact? So there should be like some certain point of contacts, right? So those
Right.
details you are going to save it in the contact.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay. Okay, and I also wanted to let you one more thing. Okay, so see, out of the box, Salesforce has given all these modules: sales, service, marketing, community, Salesforce chatter. Okay, but like in case you're not satisfied with these, then Salesforce has other cloud applications also, which are available on App Exchange. Okay, you see here, visit App Exchange. So it's same like phone. Okay, when you buy a new phone, right? So there will be like inbuilt applications in the phone. Okay, but suppose like banking application, it won't be there, right? You have an account in some bank, so that app won't be inbuilt app in the phone. So what do you do? Like, how do you get that banking app?
We can install it.
Yeah, so from where you can install it?
Google, Google
Play
Play Store.
Store.
Application
Play
Manager.
Store, Play Store, yes, App Store, Play Store. So do you need internet connection to download, or you can just download it without internet connection?
Need
We need
internet
You
connection.
need,
You need
Need
the internet
internet.
connection, right? That means that application is on cloud. Without internet, you cannot. So same way this Salesforce also, right? You can whatever Salesforce has given, it's fine, but there are like many other applications which are developed on cloud and which are available in this app exchange. Okay, so if you need it for your business perspective, so there are two options with you. Either you can develop, since you are in the developer platform, you can develop it also. You can just develop the entire application, but you don't want to do that. You don't have a tech team. You're like, no, I cannot spend that much, or I cannot hire a tech team to develop that. So what will you do? You will go to this app exchange and you will see what is required and you will buy that particular app. So most of the apps would be obviously paid. So you can just pay that particular amount and you can buy that app and you can start using it. Okay, so that is a like option of, we have an option of app exchange in Salesforce. So if you are not satisfied with whatever is given out of the box, you can buy a new application for your business need. Okay, so for example, billing software, billing and creating invoice is not available in out of the box Salesforce CRM. So you usually, business usually prefer to buy those from App Exchange. They can go to buy exchange. So they are called as CLM, CPQ. Those are like all billing softwares. We don't want to get into details, but yeah, for buying that, they just go to App Exchange. So once you have installed this software CRM in your environment, you can just go to App Exchange and you can buy that. So again, see, now I bought a phone, I bought an iPhone. Okay. So do you think that banking application which you installed, or other social media application which you installed, is it created by iPhone company? Are those applications created by iPhone? No, right?
No,
Someone else did it. So same way in the Salesforce also, it's not like all these are cloud applications, but not necessarily it is created by Salesforce. It can be created by other companies also, but they are available in the market. So you can just install it in your Salesforce environment and you can start using it. Okay, so now you know a new concept of app exchange. So guys, I just want you to try out this contacts. Just create one or two random contacts, create two contacts, I would say, and link one of them to any of your existing accounts which you have created. So can you do that in class? And I don't want to just move on to theory again today. Let's just practice and we'll wind up the class little early today. Okay, so can you do that? Do you want to practice it now if you are sitting in front of your laptops?
Uh, Hi Anu,
Yeah,
Aparna here.
yeah, Aparna.
Actually, I did not create my account and I don't know where to create the account.
You mean your Salesforce account?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Today.
okay. So is there anyone else who is yet to create the Salesforce account? Because I'll show it again. So you can note down the steps. Okay. Okay. So Aparna, no problem. I'll show it to you. So just in the URL, you have to type developer.salesforce.com. Okay. So
Yeah,
this is going to be your developer account, because you will get the entire platform to develop the application, to do any kind of customization. So this will be your URL, developer.salesforce.com. So you can just note it down.
sure. I did.
Okay, just press enter. So you get this page. Okay, Salesforce. Here you see left side developers. Now you get a sign up page on the top right corner. You see this
Okay.
sign up page? Just click on
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now you get a form. Okay. This entire form is there in front of you
Okay.
for signing you up. You have to give your first name here, give your last name, give your email ID. Email ID should be your active one because you'll get a verification link on this email address. Okay.
Okay.
Your job role you can give as developer because we are going to be and end of the day we are going to be the developers. Company name you can give anything like ABC XYZ, doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay.
Country, whichever country you are living right now, you can give the country name. Postal code, your residential postal code you can give. Again, this username should be, unique, otherwise it will not accept. So, and I would suggest that you just end it with salesforce.com. So see, I have given like training batch 003 at salesforce.com. So similarly, you can give Aparna or anything like your date of birth or anything combination at salesforce.com. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Once you are done with filling all this, just click on sign me up. Okay.
Okay.
So once
Yeah.
you click on sign me up, it will show beep boop processing. And in the backend, your username is created. You will get an email with the username. So you can, and it will ask you to verify. Once you click on verify, you can change your password. I mean, you can create your own password. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
So
Thank
once you
you.
are done, yeah. So just one more thing. So once you are done with creating the account, how will you log in? So for logging in, you need to go to login.salesforce.com. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Click on this, you'll directly get the login page. So here you can give the username which you gave here in the end. This username, whatever you gave, this username you can give here and the password which you created and just click on login.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Yep.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Anu.
No problem. Okay. So I don't know, are you guys like practicing or you want to practice it after the class?
I can do it now if you
Yeah, I mean, you can do it because today I thought I'll just show you these accounts and contacts.
Okay.
From next class, like Sunday, we will start like marketing practicals in the marketing module. Okay, so we will create campaigns. We'll see how campaigns are created. We'll create leads.
I'm done with finishing one with the account and one with without account.
I'm sorry, who is this?
Myself, Sapna.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Sapna.
Yeah.
So what about others? Or else I'll just quickly give you a few definitions also for account and contact. So whenever you're referring your notes,
I'm also done.
Okay, great.
I am also done.
Okay, so see
I am
now,
also done.
okay, good. So now as an end user, you know, right? How to create an account, how to create a contact, how to link a contact to an account, how to link one account to other parent account. So all these things, So if there, in real time project, if any issues come related to account, you know where to go and check, right? So see, now I showed you in the sales module, right? But I said, right, when in real time project, there will be an entire project name, that rectangular box. So you are not going to use these. You're not going to use the sales service. There will be a new box over here with the name of like, if you're ABC hospital project, you will see ABC. So you have to do entire thing in here. So it will be same as all of these only. Don't worry, but a new rectangular box will appear here. Okay. Okay, so quickly, I'll give you, the definition for accounts and contacts so that you don't get confused. Okay, so accounts, let's write it. Account, you can any group. Hey, are you able to see my screen or is it like,
Yes.
okay?
Yes,
Yes, we
yes,
can.
we can see.
Yeah, I switched on from Notepad plus plus. I didn't like it. The font, you cannot change anything. So I just switched to OneNote. So account definition would be any group, company, organization, or team, okay, is called account. Example, I want you to take down the notes, okay? Just write it down so that when you refer or if somebody asks you, hey, what is account in Salesforce? So you can tell them. Example will be like Government of India, any bank is your, it can be your account, okay? Any enterprise, just I will just make it as government, not India, government. Okay, any bank or any enterprise or any team like cricket team, entire cricket team, Indian cricket team is my account. I can just create an account with Indian cricket team. Okay, because I said right, my client is ABC Hospital, so maybe it has tie up with BCCI and they are like our players will visit only ABC Hospital. So I can create an entire account with the name of, Indian cricket team in Salesforce. And then individually, I can keep on adding the contacts. Next is contacts. Any individual customer is called contact. Okay. Example would be ministers, because I gave government as account. So ministers, bank employees, employees of a company, members of the team. Okay, so whatever example I gave in account, okay, any confusion with this now? Account and contacts?
An account can also be a contact, right? I mean, an individual.
Yes, it can be.
And can you also define the object? You were mentioning about objects.
Yes. So see, objects are nothing, but you can call them as tables as part of Salesforce CRM, which are used to store the, data, any data related to sales, service, and marketing.
No.
So you
Thank
see
you.
the definition is here. If you want, you can just note it down. Salesforce provides a collection of ready-made standard objects, which are also called as tables. Actually, they are tables, but in Salesforce, we call them as objects. And they appear as tabs inside each of the modules, these tables. And we can perform all these operations with those objects, records inside the object. So now whatever record you created, right, inside account, we can do a lot of things with these. Okay, you can delete it or you can modify it, you can update it. Now I want to update, obviously you see the edit button here, I can always go and edit it. Okay, I can also like delete it, but I will not do it right now. I can delete it, I can update it, I can, if we can write query to fetch. So now there are only few which I created. But see, I see from here you can see these are recently viewed. Okay. But out of the box, Salesforce has given you a lot of other accounts also. You see, Corporation of America, Dickinson PLC, Edge Communication. So these they have given for the purpose of testing. Similarly, in contacts also, if you click and you click on all contacts, you can see a huge list. See, out of the box, Salesforce has given all this. So you see each of the account, we linked Aman Kumar to XYZ Bank. Similarly, they have also linked. So Andy Young to Dickinson, Arthur Song to this United Oil and Gas. Similarly, see John Bond, Lauren Boyle, all this, they have linked to accounts. So when we are learning DML, data manipulation language and all those things, it will be helpful if we have more data. Otherwise, because we have created only 4 or 5, right? Okay, so all of you are done with creating contacts and accounts. Is there anyone like who has not yet created any account or contact in the Salesforce environment?
Yeah, I will create later because
Okay.
I'm still, yeah.
Okay, no problem. So I just so you have a weekend or like 2 days you have off. So I would request all of you to, visit, revisit the videos. Just go back and check the videos again and take down your notes. And if you have any doubts, please come back to me. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay. So next class we will discuss marketing module. We will discuss campaigns, leads, opportunities. All this we'll discuss. Okay.
Yep.
And we'll do hands-on on that as well. So I don't want to start it now. I mean, today, if you want, I can just start with it. What is marketing and all those things. But I just wanted to wind up the class little early today. Is it fine?
Yeah, that's fine for me. It's perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
That's
we are
fine.
done with sales and service, right?
Yes. Service, we are not done yet because see, accounts and contacts is like common to all these modules, but there are like few specific tabs which are special for, each of the service. So service, we have cases and all, right? We have not, we have not done that. So we'll practice. See, you see cases,
Yeah,
accounts and contacts we have already done. We have one cases. So we will just see how cases are created. Okay. So we'll do practical for that.
sure.
Okay,
Thank you
so
so much.
few
Yeah.
practicals left. After that, we will start with the actual admin class. Okay, so this is like consulting, and you can call it as end user work, which I'm showing you. So after this, like once we are done with creating campaigns, leads, opportunities, cases, so 4 things are remaining. Accounts and contacts we have already discussed. Next remainings are I had already noted down somewhere now. Yes. Yes, see. So account contact we have already done. We will see how leads are created. We'll see opportunities, case, products also we'll see. Okay. But these are like not required that much. Important ones are all these. So we'll see this. And after that, we will see the actual admin work. If you get an admin role in an organization, then what are you actually going to do? This also you need to know. Okay, this so you need to know as a developer, I would say, rather than an admin. As a developer you should know, because see, if somebody asks you to fix any issues with these fields and all, you should know. As an admin you should know like how to manage the users, how to, what access should we give to the user and all those things. So this diagram I explained you, right? So when you join HCL, suppose you joined as an admin, so what will you do? You will manage the employees also. Okay, not only the patients, you have to manage the employees of ABC Hospital also. Just 1 second.
Recording in progress.
Yeah. So now, see, ABC Hospital wanted a software, CRM software, Okay, and so now they want like employees who can access that software. They will not give access to everyone, right? This ABC hospital will have like lakhs of employees, suppose.
Only authorized.
Yeah, so only the authorized ones. So they will give a list of list of employees to HCL, and they'll say, hey, you add them as users, okay, in this org, in this Salesforce environment, and they will only decide who needs to be the admin, who will be the end user. I mean, among these employees also there are a lot of profiles and roles. I'll explain all that later. So this ABC hospital will decide and give the requirement to HCL. HCL admin, we as an admin, we will take care of it. We will assign profiles. We will decide who, I mean, not decide, but yeah, according to the requirement which they have given, we will add the users in the org. Okay. So as of now, you are the only one, you are the only user of this org. Okay. But you can add more users. Now, since this is a developer edition, this is just for the learning purpose. This account is just for the learning purpose. Obviously, there will be certain limitations, but still, I mean, you can create users. So this admin users, I'll show you the path later, like I'll explain everything, but I just wanted to show you. If you click on users, you see here. So admin, who is the admin right now? I am the admin. Similarly, you can see your name here. But you see here new user, you can add new user, you can create new user. Okay, so obviously there will be certain limitations like admin. There cannot be like more than 2 admins in this edition, Salesforce and developer edition. So I can create one more admin like me who will have all the accesses like me. Okay, see, single user you can create at a time, or you can create multiple users at a time. So we will see all this, okay, in the admin class. We still have like 1 or 2 more classes of this end user where we will learn this end user task. After that, we will get into pure admin. Okay, we'll discuss all this. So you as an admin, whatever, you can access everything, like who can access what, who can see what, all those things. Okay, you can manage. Basically, you can manage. Okay. So any doubts till now?
For now, it's good, but I'm going to see all the videos, previous videos. So then I will have questions on Sunday.
Yeah, sure. I request you to go through the videos again,
Sure.
note down your questions, and then come back. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So if nothing else, I mean, I just wanted to wind up the class a little early
Can I
today.
quickly ask you something?
Yeah, sure.
Right. So after creating the main account, salesforce.com, how
Yes.
many username do you want us to create to practice?
I think I will ask you only to create 2 more users. Okay.
Okay.
So one user, because see, we are going to practice a lot of things. So I don't want you to practice on your own account, on your own profile. So what I will do, I will ask you to create another user with the same accesses, like with the profile of system administrator. And then
Mhm.
on his profile, we will do the practicals. Okay. We will remove
Okay.
the access, we'll freeze the user. So we are not going to do it on our own account. We are going to do all that on that new user. Okay.
Right. Because I created the main account like developer salesforce.com,
Mm-hmm.
but after that I didn't do anything what you explained about
Mm-hmm.
Government of India, Tom's Cruise.
Mm-hmm.
Do I need to practice those or just leave them?
No, you have to practice. See, that's what
Okay.
I was telling. Na? You have to go to app
Okay.
launcher and create all the account, because see, this data is required. I mean, in the coming classes, you might need, and it's
Okay.
better if you do it on your own. Then it will help you to understand how are we going to link. Because see, it looks easy when you see it, but it's good when you actually do it.
When you actually do it. No, definitely I need to practice.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
I would request you to practice. These are the end users task which we are going to do. Core admin part also we will practice. We'll see after like 2 more classes, we'll see all that. Okay.
Right. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, if we are good, then let's find up the call. Thank you
Yeah.
all. Thanks for joining.
Thank you so much, Anu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, Anu.
Bye.
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 Good night. Yeah.